Hello friends, happy Valentine's Day or any other day dedicated to love. Isn't every day dedicated to love? I think it is, even the days we're not aware of. Last year I made a Valentine's Day video where I showed how every year I'm giving to my loved one a heart grown out of a tree. I showed a whole bunch of them made of several different species, twisted into heart several different ways. Every year a little differently. For instance, this one and this one and this one and this double one The older we get, the more love and the more hearts symbolizing love. But as we are nearing the golden anniversary, sometimes there comes a need for heart repair. And so today I would like to show you one heart that needed it really badly. This one. A year ago, this heart didn't have much of a leg to stand on. The trunk rotted because of a damage from termites, and the whole thing was going to break, fall over. So I wrap it with a fabric, tie a wire around it, and water that fabric every time I had to water plants. Gradually the air roots started to grow. Once in a while I had to rewrap it. I had to take the fabric off. I started a year ago, and originally it was wrapped from here to down, and the air roots grew into the fabric, so once in a while I had to rewrap it, and unfortunately sometimes it damaged the air roots. But a year later I can proudly say, and the rooster there agrees, cock-a-doodle-doo, something to cock-a-doodle about, that the air root is now becoming a trunk. Slowly, let me unwrap it for you. This one is the strongest, and there is a bunch of weaker ones. There'll be more of them, but as I was changing the fabric, some got broken. It's sort of like if an old person has a bad blood circulation in a leg and the artery gets all clogged up and the side veins take over some of the blood circulation, or if the person needs finally a surgery, a leg bypass surgery. And so this very damaged trunk no longer has all the weight of the heart. The air roots took over and the heart is saved. The broken heart is no longer broken. It's amazing. Air roots to me are amazing. Some of the most important things in life are free. One of them is air. So through the air, the plant put out through the wetness of a fabric roots, and once they reach the ground, they thicken and they stabilized the tree, and so the broken heart can now grow. It happens to ficuses that are also not shaped into heart, that grow naturally. Let me show you. Here is one of my larger ficus bonsais. There are many varieties of ficus, but this one, just like the one with the sig heart, is called Ficus retusa, a very common ficus. And here again you can see that the original trunk is not holding well with age, but the air roots are taking over. The nature is creating a leg bypass surgery so that the love can survive beyond 50 years, beyond golden anniversary. And so I can say to my love, Happy Valentines, Happy Valentine's Day, today and every day. And I'm sure you're saying it too, with words or deeds or vibes or just by being there. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye. See you next time.